to the channel, Builder Wiz. Today we're going to look at these mini bins from Costco. So they're all over the internet. My wife had to have these and I just couldn't understand, what do you do with these things? You know, and she was like, well, you put little things in it, you like paper clips or something to that effect, and you store it at your desk or wherever. And I was like, I just don't see the use. What are you gonna do with this? And she said, well, what I would do is just stack up bins. So this was her idea, to just stack up some bins like so. And I was like, well, what about if you need this and you just have to keep on moving things around to get to this one or the bottom one? I just didn't see it. I mean, and this just doesn't look awesome. So I went to the 3D printer and I came up with this little solution. So now with this, what we could do is we could slide these bins inside of this container, like so. And then, at least now you could come around and you could pull these out. This is the design that I came up with. And the cool thing about it too is, besides these falling out, is there are little keyholes in the back that you can hang them on the wall if you desire. So this is what we came up with. You may say, that's all well and good, but what are we gonna do if I wanted more? Well, we came up with a solution for that. And you could print out another one here and put that here. And then I printed out connectors. It would connect something like that from the top. Now, I bet you're wondering, well, that's great and all, but what about if I don't want to connect it that way and I just want to stack it up? Well, I came up with these. You could snap these in, and now this makes a little bit of a notch there, and it extends out. So now I have something on the bottom here, and then I'll just turn this to the side, and it will snap in just like that. So now this will stay together on this angle. So, and if you're not happy with that and you want to extend it out, I made this one that snaps in here, and it's got a little ridge here, so you can snap one in on the top, like so. And then I ran out of filament when I was printing this. I was trying to print it in black and ran out, so just use a different print. But now that snaps into that. And as you can see, it's very modular here in any way you want, and it just stays in place. Now, granted, like over here, you would need to have one of the other ones, these little snaps, so you would probably use one of these, snapping on this side to keep this aligned properly. But overall, that's the module design. And you can really shape these up to however you want these. So there's connectors like this for stacking, or if you want to put a little feet on the bottom, you could use that. And this will raise it off the ground just a little bit. So then there's just ones if you want to connect it like this to a side. And then there's a connector like this that if you want to connect it in the same scenario as before, as on the top and through a side, you could do that as well. So that's my short little video on what to do and how it works. Thank you for watching, and happy 3D printing. If you think I earned it, please drop a like, and if you can, subscribe. See you in the next video.